भैया मी थोडा दूर में आवाज रख चलेगा.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Now, we're starting from the beginning, right? For all children who are sitting for 21, 22. So every time we take a class now, we have to go by the same pattern of vocab plus grammar or vocab plus RC. Vocab has to be there for at least about 25 to 30 minutes. So because this is the first session, let us test our vocab range. Now, right now, there are 26 participants and supposing 24 participants, okay? I want each one to give an answer, right? I will be taking your name and see either in whatever we do, either we are learning something. If even if we play a game, either we win or we learn. So there is no need to keep silent and not pay attention in the discussion, probably thinking that I may be wrong, I may go wrong. No, don't do that. Please take part in the lesson, become an active participant. If your answers are going wrong, very good, go wrong, because when you go wrong, you learn. So the vocab section, I want every child to be an active participant. And as we start right now, I will be taking your names. As soon as I take your name, please answer. You may give me a wrong, you are going, probably there might be a chance that you may give me a wrong answer. Very good. But at least you have tried. Got it? These words, these 60 words are words which you have come across in these 12 years of your education. Somewhere or the other you have come across these words. They are not out of the box from somewhere which you have, they are not from they are not new words, you have come across them. Yeah, there may be words which will sound new to you, but then you're learning them. So as soon as I take your name, make sure that you give your answer. It can be wrong, we are not bothered, but you have to give an answer. Okay, so here are 60 brief phrases, each containing one itemized word. It is up to you to find the closest definition of each such word. Okay. Now let us go through let's start, right? Disheveled appearance. So we have Abhitanshu. Abhitanshu, please give the answer. Disheveled appearance. What is the meaning of the word disheveled? Means what could be the synonym or very close meaning for disheveled?
Untidy.
Untidy. Very good. Next, Aditi, baffling problem. What is a baffling problem? What is a baffling problem? Aditi, I don't know. Kondwar. I'm not talking about Aditi Sonavani, the other one. Please give the answer, dear. A baffling problem. What does it mean? Are you there? Hello? Aditi? Okay, the other Aditi Sonavane. Please give the answer. A baffling problem. Abhidhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, are you available? Are all of you are listening to me? Or all have kept your speaker on and all are what's going on? Kya hua hai? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
what's a baffling problem? We were on Avidhi. Avidhi, baffling problem?
Long problem.
No, it will be puzzling. You're baffled means you're puzzled. So puzzling is the answer. Okay, next. Chaitrali, lenient parent. Chaitrali, Lenient parent.
Ma'am, not strict.
Correct. Very good. Repulsive personality. Next. Disha. Repulsive personality.
Disgusting.
Disgusting. Very good. Audacious attempt. Wish. Audacious attempt.
Useless.
Bold. Audacity means boldness. Good. Good try anyway. Parry a parry a blow. Next one. Harshita. Parry a blow.
Ignore.
No, it is ward off. Okay. Next, prevalent disease. This time it goes to, if I'm not wrong, Husaina, right? Husaina Barutwala. Can you hear me? Prevalent disease.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Prevalent diseases.
Just a second, ma'am.
Yeah, take your time. Prevalent disease.
Danger, fatal.
No, widespread. Something that is spread. Yeah, widespread. Okay, next, ominous report. We have Akshaya. Akshaya. Ominous report. Ominous report. There is somebody with the name I told, Akshaya. Is there Akshaya? Please respond, children, when I give you a chance to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please answer, beta.
Ma'am, which
Ominous
question?
report. 8-1, beta.
Ma'am, threatening.
Threatening, right? Good. An incredible story. Krishna.
Ma'am, unknown.
Unbelievable. Incredible is
Yes,
unbelievable. Okay.
unbelievable.
Jainam, an ophthalmologist.
Ma'am, eye doctor.
Correct. An eye doctor. Very good. Parth will supersede the law. Will supersede the law.
Repeal.
Take the place of an anonymous donor. Next one. Krishna, we finished Parth. Parth, have you answered? Anonymous donor.
One
We
whose
have
name is not known.
Correct. Very good. Performed an autopsy. Prajakta. Performed an autopsy. Prajakta.
Ma'am, B.
B. Correct. Right. Examination of a corpse to determine the cause of death. Correct. Next one. That was the 13th one. Now the 14th one. Indefatigable worker. That is for Radhika Award.
Ma'am, tireless.
Very good. A confirmed atheist. Next, Raj. A confirmed
Disbeliever in
atheist.
God.
Very good. Right. Now we go to the next one. 16th one. Endless loquacity. Loquacity.
Talkativeness.
Sorry. Who gave the answer? I didn't take anyone's name. Talkative.
Ma'am,
Correct.
me.
Ugly. Next. Who's me? Akshaya. Okay. A glib talker. Now whose chance? Wait. Rohan. A glib talker. 17th one.
Accord.
Smooth talker. A. Number 18. Incorrigible optimist. That is Sahil Chaudhary. An incorrigible optimist. Incorrigible means what?
Beyond repair.
Beyond repair, reform or correction. Correct it is. Right. An ocular problem. Number 19. That goes to Sarvesh Chaudhary. Ocular problem means what, Sarvesh? No, sorry, Shreya. Shreya. What happened? The name only disappeared.
Ma'am, it's visual.
Okay. Sarvesh, please give the answer, dear. An ocular problem.
Ma'am, I gave the answer.
Ocular has
Visual.
something to do with visual.
I
Okay.
gave the
A notorious demagogue. Next one. That is 20. Shreyas Pujari.
A.
Rabble rouser. Correct. A knave attitude. Shruti. A knave attitude.
Hostile.
No, unsophisticated. Suhani. Living in affluence. Suhani. Living in affluence.
Ma'am, fear.
Wealth. Wealth. In retrospect, Sujay.
I think it's option A, view of the past.
Correct, it is. God. Gurmeet. Next one. 24th. Abhitanshu once again. Twenty-fourth one. Gurmeet.
Ma'am, connoisseur of good food.
Correct. A connoisseur of good expert of good food. Next, to simulate interest. Number 25, Aditi. Aditi.
Ma'am, B. Feel.
To pretend. No, answer is A. To pretend. Okay, number 26. A magnanimous action. Akshaya.
Generous.
Very good. A clandestine meeting. Next, 27. Avidikala. Clandestine meeting.
Secret.
Correct. The apathetic citizens. Disha.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Sorry, beta. Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sympathy, apathy. Pathy is the root word.
Ma'am, D.
Correct. D is the answer. To placate his son. Placate is the word. 29. Now this time,
L.
Harshita, give the answer, please.
Ma'am, which one?
Placate his son. 29. To placate his son. You're noting down these words now, everybody. These words are important words. Means you should know the meanings of these words. To placate his son.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am,
I didn't get you. Sorry. Yeah.
can you please share this PDF with us on WhatsApp group?
Okay, I will. I will.
Thank
Okay,
you,
it is in your
ma'am.
syllabus. Yes, dear. This is in your syllabus, right? To placate his son.
Ma'am, help.
No, it is a feeling of hostility to change the feeling of hostility to one of friendliness. E. Okay. Next is to vacillate. 30. And this time it is Jainam who's going to give the answer. Number 30.
Ma'am, B.
Correct. Swing back and forth. Right. Fourth. Back and front. A nostalgic feeling. 31. Krishna. A nostalgic feeling.
Ma'am, A.
Nostalgic feeling is not nauseated, it's homesick. Feel antipathy. Next, Jainam. No, we finished. Parth Rahude. Feel antipathy.
Ma'am, A.
D. Hostility. Now Krishna will answer. Be more circumspect. 33. Be more circumspect. Prajakta.
B.
Cautious. C. 34. An intrepid fighter for human rights.
A.
Fearless. Correct. You're right. Next, Radhika is going to answer. First, I'll change the sheet. Wait. Okay. A typhoonous material. Radhika is giving the answer, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Expensive.
Sheer and gauzy. A taciturn host. 36. Raj. Disinclined.
C.
Correct. I'm so sorry I give that. To Milind, his friend. 37. Ria. To Milind, his friend.
Accuse.
Slender. That is D. Correct. Slender. 38. Congenital deformity. 38. That is Rohan.
Ma'am, A.
No, it is occurring at the time of birth or during birth. 39. A definite neurosis. 39. A definite neurosis. Sahil Chaudhary. बोलो.
Ma'am, B.
Correct. Emotional disturbance. Made an equivocal statement. Unequivocal statement. 40. That is Shreya Deshmukh. Unequivocal statement.
A.
D. The answer is D.
My turn. It was my turn.
Whose turn, beta?
I
Shreya.
am
Yeah, so okay, the next, you can take the next word. Vicarious enjoyment. Okay.
long and continuing.
Now, C it is. Occurring from a feeling of identification with another. Psychogenic ailment. That is Yash. He hasn't even come in, sorry. The last one minute, huh? Swapnil. Swapnil. Psychogenic ailment. Swapnil is there now in the group. Okay, Abhitanshu. Abhitanshu. Can you give me the answer? At least say a yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Okay, but you're there now. Sujay,
Yes, ma'am. I
please
am
give me the
Excuse me,
answer.
ma'am.
Yes.
I missed the term. I missed the term. So I think psychogenic ailment is incurable.
No, it is C. It is originating in the mind. Psycho means mind.
Ma'am, actually, your
Anyway,
voice is
every
not
day.
audible, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, it's breaking, so I was not able to hear you.
Okay. Chalo. Now we are on 43. Okay, the screen is right in front of you. 43. Everyone pay attention on 43. I will take anyone's name. You may not be right. You don't have to be right. But we are trying, right? So everyone is trying to get to the answer for 43. Aditi Sonavani, please give me the answer for 43. Option number.
A.
No, beta. Option C. Okay, 44. Her iconoclastic face. Iconoclastic face. 44. Everyone look at 44. I can ask anyone, so please try to get to the answer.
B.
I'm giving you 30 seconds. Very good. It is B. Good. Whoever gave the answer, good. Number 45. A tyro. Tyro.
B.
B. Beginner.
B.
B. Okay. A laconic reply. 46.
A.
No. Somebody else.
C.
C. Correct. It is C. Right. Number 47. Semantic confusion. Semantic. Anybody can give me the answer.
C.
Semantic.
A. Ma'am.
A. Relating to meanings of words. Correct. A. Number 48. Cavalier treatment.
B.
Not B. Huh?
B.
Sorry.
Haughty and
Right.
high-handed.
Haughty and high-handed. Correct. It is. Next. 49. Anomalous situation.
B.
No.
Unusual.
Unusual. C. Correct.
Oh.
50. Posthumous styled.
E.
No. E. Born after the death of the father. 51.
Ma'am, can you please
Feel-
repeat?
What happened, Peter?
Ma'am, I can't see.
You
screen.
can't see.
Yes,
Now it is clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. 51. Feels enervated.
Completely exhausted.
Correct. C option. 52. Shows perspicacity. 52.
D.
Huh? Not D. Not D.
Ma'am, A.
No.
A.
No, mental keenness.
Correct. It is mental keenness. B. Now next, an unpopular martinet.
C.
C. Correct. Gregarious person. 54.
B.
Very sociable. Very good. B. 55. Generally phlegmatic.
D.
A.
D. Emotionally unresponsive. D. Okay. 56. The inveterate gambler.
Habitual.
Correct. 57. An egregious error. Egregious error.
Outstandingly bad.
Very good. Cacophony of a large city. 58.
B.
D.
D. Unpleasant noises. The prurient adolescent. Option number.
C.
B.
No, B. Correct. B. Right. And last one is uxorious husband. Uxorious husband.
D.
D. Fondly and foolishly doting on his wife. Very good. See, this was the beginning. These 60 words, and according to the curriculum, you should be knowing them, it seems, and we will be knowing more further. So anyway, I will be sending, as I have requested. Please, I'll be putting it on WhatsApp group today itself, and then you can start learning them. The answers are not marked, so I don't know. Okay, I'll put the pic of the page where the answers are there, right? Okay, so now we go to the first topic. See, I'm going to do articles today with you all. So I know articles is something you all know very well, but we have to rush through articles, and then we will be doing a worksheet on articles. So I will just quickly discuss articles first with you all, right? I am not okay. So I'm starting with articles. We all know what articles are, right? The words A. Can everyone hear me? The words
Yeah.
A and
Yes, ma'am.
the are known as articles, right? A and the are known as articles. A and an are the indefinite articles, and the is a definite article. So we have two kinds of articles: indefinite article a and definite article the, right? See, we do have quantitative articles also, like some and any. but we are not, we don't mention them as quantitative articles, right? Now, present, see, articles is one topic which actually presents problems for most speakers of English. And this is not surprising because, this is not surprising at all, since there is no equivalent construction in many languages. And those languages that do have articles do not necessarily use them in the same way as English. So it is often difficult to decide. Now, where is the problem? The problem actually occurs, is it is difficult to decide whether an English noun needs an article before it. And if so, which article? Do we have to use a, or do we use an, or do we use the? Now, remember, when we are using articles, the main things that you have to consider when choosing the articles are whether or not the noun is countable and whether it is definite. Two things you have to keep in mind. See, we write an article or we use an article before a noun. Before any noun, we are using an article. When we use the article, or before we use the article, we have to consider two things. The first is whether or not the article is countable and whether it is definite. Now, when I say countable, what is countable? Countability means that the noun can be plural. We know that nouns singular and plural. We are having nouns that are singular as well as plural. For example, singular is one book and plural books, right? Whether a noun is definite or indefinite depends on whether you or the listener to whom you are speaking both know what you are referring to. I told you that before we write an article, before we place an article before a noun, we have to consider two things. One, whether the noun is countable, and two, whether the noun is definite or not, whether it's definite or it is indefinite. Countability, I told you, depends on singular or plural. And definite or indefinite depends on whether you, the speaker, or somebody who's listening to you, both are knowing what you are referring to, right? So if I ask you to choose the right article, the first thing I will ask myself is the noun singular and countable? Okay, if I tell myself, yes, it is singular and countable, then the next question I have to ask myself is it definite? If it is yes, that it is definite, then I have to put a the. But if I tell myself, no, it is not definite, then I put a or an. Now, a and an, we know, a for consonant and an for a vowel sound. Is the noun plural or uncountable? This could be another choice, that the noun could be plural or the noun could be uncountable. So if I tell myself, yes, the noun is plural or the noun is uncountable, then I have to further ask myself, is it definite? Again, if I say yes, it is definite, then the answer is the. And if I say no, it is not definite, then I do not put an article. Then there is no article required, right? Again, I tell you, if the noun is plural or uncountable and it is definite, I put the. If the noun is a plural or uncountable but not definite, then I don't put an article at all. For example, if I take a sentence, I bought a book. The noun in this sentence is book, and the book is singular, and the book is countable. Therefore, it has to have an article, right? Now, if the listener knows which book you are talking about, then the book I gave you yesterday, the. But if the listener or the person you are speaking to does not know the book, that means it is indefinite. So I will say, I bought a book So in this case, I bought a book, any book. I bought a book. If I say the sentence as, or if I take the sentence as, the book I bought is interesting. Here again, book is my noun and the book is singular and it is countable. Therefore, it has to have an article. Now, in this case, we know which book is being referred to. The book you bought means the book I bought. The book I bought. So I know the book. That is why I have taken the definite article as the. I like the books you gave me. If this is my sentence, I like the books you gave me. Here again, books is a plural noun and it is used in a definite sense. We know the books. We know which books. Which books? The books you gave me. So it takes a definite article. That is why when we speak, we say, I like the books you gave me. Right? I like books, if I say. Again, books is a plural noun. It is used about the sentence. Here, the books is general books, not specific books, just books. So it is plural. It is not definite. No article. I like books. This time, there is no article. Blood is thicker than water. Now, two nouns, blood and water. Blood and water again are singular uncountable nouns. And they are used in the general sense. Therefore, they don't need an article. That is why the sentence was, blood is thicker than
Ma'am, we cannot listen your voice.
water. Okay. A single countable noun must have an article if there is no number. Now, the earlier example I gave you was, I bought 2 books. Now, I have used the number 2. That is why I told you, we don't need an article over here. But a single countable noun must have an article if there is no other number or determiner or possessive. If the noun is plural, an article may not be necessary. Now, if I say our house, if I say our house, we do not need an article. Why? Because I have used the possessive our. If I say this year, we do not need an article again because the determiner this stands in before or is used before year. Car. Now, if I'm only saying car, you need an article because this is a singular countable noun with no determiner already. If I say trees, you may need an article depending on whether the noun is definite or not. For example, if I say trees are usually green, now here I don't need an article because I am talking generally about trees. The noun is not definite. I am only talking about trees. I am not talking about specific trees. If I take the example as the trees in the park are green, here the is used the article is needed. The is needed. Why? Because I am specifying which trees I am talking about. The trees in the park. Now we have to understand where we are going to use the indefinite article a and an, and where are we going to use the indefinite article the. Now there are certain rules which are to be followed, and I am going to continuously tell you the rules now. So if you are interested, you can note them down. Okay, I am talking about, I have given you the introduction of articles. Now I'm going to talk about the correct usage of articles. So if you want to note them down as I am speaking, please make notes for yourself. The first one is, we need an article before a common noun in singular number. As I already told you, if I say I saw man, it would be wrong. But if I say I saw a man, I am right, because I need a in front of the noun man. If I say there was an apple, I have used an before apple because apple is a common noun in the singular number. That is why it requires an article. The cat ran at the rat. Here again, I have used the in front of cat and the in front of rat. Why? They are common nouns in the singular number, but this time I specifically know the cat and the rat. But when a singular common noun refers to all the members of the class, no article should be put before it. Remember what I'm telling you. First, I told you a common noun in the singular number needs an article. Now I am telling you a singular common noun, when it refers to all the members of the class, no article should be put before it. Simple example is, man is mortal. In front of man, I am not putting any article simply because man here, man and woman are representing the, man is representing the whole class. Rose is the sweetest flower. Here rose refers to each and every rose. That is why I have not put an article before rose. So the first rule was, when a singular common noun refers to all the members of the class, no article should be put before it. Correct? Second rule. Now, as a general rule, no article is placed before a proper, material, and abstract noun. Proper nouns have no articles in front of them. Material nouns, for example, glass, silver, gold, have no articles in front of them. Abstract nouns, honesty, beauty, childhood, these have no articles in front of them. But when they are used as common nouns, when proper, material, or abstract nouns are used as common nouns, and when they are followed by an adjectival of more than one word, articles can be put before them. For example, now let me say a simple sentence. Let me take, Bhopal is the capital of MP. Now here, Bhopal is not taking, Bhopal is a proper noun, but Bhopal is not taking any article. The Bhopal of today is a prosperous town. Now I have added the in front of Bhopal because now I have converted the proper noun Bhopal into a common noun. Why? Because I am comparing it. The Bhopal of today is a prosperous town. In the same way,
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Hello, you are inaudible, ma'am.
yeah. And the same way, if I say gold is a valuable thing, so gold does not take an article, but the gold of Australia is cheap. Here, gold takes an article because here gold is used as a common noun. Rule 3. So the second rule was that actually no article is placed before proper material and abstract nouns. But when we use them as common nouns, then they take an article. Okay. The third rule is the way in which the article a is used. In the senses, the different senses in which I can use a. Now, a means one. He has a pen in his hand. That means he has one pen in his hand. A also means the same. For example, the birds of a feather flock together. Here, a means the same. So, birds of the same feather flock together. A also means on. He has gone a hunting. Me means he has gone on hunting. Or I found him a bed means I found him on the bed. And the fourth way in which the article a is used. A also means per. He earns rupees 2000 a month. Means per month he earns 2000 rupees. Rule or usage of the article number 4. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. I can say begins with a consonant and that has a consonant sound. That would be better. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant and that has a consonant sound. A book, a tame cat. Rule number 5. Words which do begin with H and H is a consonant but have an in front of them because H is silent. Words beginning with silent H do not take A before them. They take the article an example, an honest man, an arm. Next rule, when a word begins with U or EU that has a consonant sound, the article A is put before it. For example, a unique thing, a useful book, a university student, a European fellow, a unit of length. They all begin with either E or U, but because the sound is here, U, they take A before it. and before them and not an. When a word begins with O, now O again is a vowel, but it has a consonant sound. The article A is placed before it. For example, 1 foot ruler, one-eyed woman, one-sided decision. So a 1 foot ruler, a one-eyed woman, a one-sided decision. Number 8, when a word begins with a vowel that has a vowel sound, the article an is placed before it. An old man, an orange, an elephant, an apple, an empty vessel. Number 9, if the first letter of an abbreviation is F, now see when I say F, the sound is E. If I say H, the sound is E. L, L, E, L, N, R, S, X. All of them are having a vowel sound when I use these letters as in an abbreviation form. For example, SDO or MA or NCC abbreviations. I am going to put an before them. Example, an SDO is an officer of a very high rank. An MA was appointed to the post. This teacher is also an NCC officer, So abbreviations of the abbreviations with letters F, H, L, M, N, R, S or X take an before them. Okay. Article the. When do we use article the? We have learned this in school. In all those places where we use the. Quickly, I will go through them. The is used before proper nouns. That means the names of seas and oceans, Arabian Sea, Indian Sea. Before the names of gulfs, the Persian Gulf. Before the names of dates, the 26th January, the 2nd October. Before the names of seasons, the winter, the summer, the spring. Before the names of famous buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the pyramid. Before the names of canals, the Sharda Canal, the Panama Canal. Before the names of stars and planets, the Mars, the comet, the Jupiter, the moon. Before the names of newspapers, the Indian Nation, the Times of India. Before the names of religious books, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, the Gita. Before the names of title or post, example, the president, the headmaster. Before the names of rivers, the Ganges, the Nile. Before the names of a nation, community or party, the English, the Hindus, the Dutch, the Congress. Before the names of ships and aeroplanes, the Prince of Wales, the Kashmir Princess. Before the Titanic, before the names of deserts, the Sahara Desert, the Gobi Desert. Before the names of plains, example, the Indo-Gigantic plain, the Indo-Gangetic plain, the Indo-Gangetic plain. Before the names of groups of islands, the East Indies, the West Indies. Before the names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps. And before some meaningful names of places, the Deccan, the Punjab, the United States. Rule number 11. If a plural common noun signifies only a particular group and not the whole class, it must be preceded by the clause article the. Drive away the cows from the field. Here cows is not representing or is not standing for the whole group. It refers to a particular group of cows. 12. If a singular common noun refers to a particular person or thing, it should be preceded by the article the. My friend took the book I had bought. The must be used before an adjective. This is very important. If the noun qualified by that adjective is unexpressed. Example, the rich are happy, the weak and the strong, the noble and the wicked, all will meet the same fate. The plus adjective stands as a common noun to denote or express the whole class. The must be used before the comparative form of adjective if it does the purpose of an adjective. The more you labor, the more you shall earn. Or the higher you go, the cooler you feel. The must be put before a noun, be it proper, material, or abstract, provided emphasis is laid on the use of such a noun. For example, this is the time for doing it. This is the occasion to help the distressed. The death of a great scientist causes a great loss to the country. The death, the occasion, the time. The is used here because emphasis is laid on the use of such a noun. Rule number 16, when a common noun is used to express an abstract idea. Common noun is used to express an abstract idea. The must be put before it. Example, he felt the patriot rise within his heart. Here, patriot means patriotic feeling. So the is put before it. The is generally put before the superlative form of adjective. This leader is the best speaker these days. This is the most fragrant flower in my garden. Rule number 18. If a preposition is used before the name of a direction, article the must be inserted before the preposition and the name of direction. The should be avoided if there is no preposition. He is going to the south. And if to is not there, he is going south. So if a preposition is used before the name of a direction, then the is used, and this the is inserted before the preposition and the name of the direction. Rule number 19, the should never be used before adjectives all and before. The should be put between all and before and the noun it qualifies. 20. When the names of different persons or things are joined by the conjunction and the, when the names of the different persons or things are joined by conjunction and, the must be put before the names of each. Otherwise, both the names will denote only one person or thing. If I tell you, the president and the SDO are coming, here there are two different persons being spoken of. The president is different and SDO is different. If I say the president and SDO is coming, here only one person, SDO. The president and the SDO are one single person. So when I put the between both, when I put two different the's, the president, the SDO, it indicates they are two different people. Rule number 21, if a noun is qualified by two or more than 2 adjectives, only one article should be placed before the first adjective only. Carefully listen. If a noun is qualified by 2 or more than 2 adjectives, only one article should be placed before the first adjective only. A black and white cow is grazing. I will not say a black and a white cow is grazing. No, a black and white cow is grazing. The wicked and jealous princess was punished. Only once I am using the. Next rule, the should never be put before the following type of proper nouns. Where not to use the. Be careful. The should never be put before the following type of proper nouns. Number 1, before the names of cities and countries. For example, I can say Calcutta, England and America. You cannot put the. Before the names of capes, Cape of Good Hope, Cape Horn. Before the name of a certain island, Sicily, Java, Sumatra, etc. Before the names of religious books, provided it is preceded by the name of its author. If I say Tulsi Das's Ramayana, then I am not going to put an article. If I say Shakespeare's Hamlet, I am not putting an article. But if the name of the religious book is followed by the name of the author, the is invariably used. For example, the Ramayana of Tulsidas, the Hamlet of Shakespeare. Before the name of a certain mountain or hill. Example, Mount Abu, Mount Everest. Before the names of days and months. Sunday, Monday, Saturday, February, October, December, I do not put the. Before the name of a lake, Lake Sambar, Lake Chilka. Before the name of a language, English, Hindi, French, Dutch, Greek, etc. I don't put, I should never put the. See, you have to be careful how the meaning of the following words change when they are used, when the is used before them. For example, when I say English, it means English language. But suddenly if I say the English, here the English stands for English people. If I say French, I mean the language of French. But if I say the French, it means the people of France. When I say Dutch, but a mountain ranges, yes. We put, here I am talking about when not to put. Just 1 minute, I'll just complete with this and come back to you, Debita, whoever has put a query. Okay, if I say the French, I mean the people of France. If I say Dutch, it means the language of Holland. But when I say the Dutch, I mean the people of Holland. Got it? By simply, see, you asked me about the names of the ranges of mountains. The is used before the names of ranges of mountains and hills. For example, I say the Himalayas. I say the Alps. I say the Vindhyas. The is not used before peaks or mountains. If I say Everest, then I don't use the. If I say Kailas, I don't use the. If I say Mount Abu, I don't use the. But I'm using it for Himalayas. Why? It's a range of mountains. When I say the Alps, that means collective mountains are Alps together. The Vindhyas are also a range of mountains. One singular peak does not take the in front of it. Got it? The child who had asked me the query right now. Okay, Yash. When it's a mountain range, yes, of course I have to put the. When it is only a singular peak or a mountain, Kanchenjunga, no the. The is not used before Everest. The is not used before Mount Abu. The is not used before Kailas. The is not used before Parasnath, right? Because they are singular mountains. But the is used before the names of ranges of mountains and hills, the Himalayas, the Khasi Hills, the Vindhyas, the Alps. Okay. Now we come back to rule number 23. Good child. Good that you asked your doubt. The should never be used before a subject of arts and science or any other subject. Means I cannot say the geometry, the biology, the history. No. Rule 24, if title, rank, profession is used in apposition to the person holding such a title or a rank or a profession, the should be omitted. Mr. Verma, principal of our college, is coming. Earlier we said before principal we use the. But if I am using it in apposition to the person holding that rank, Mr. Verma, comma, principal of our college, comma, is coming. Shri Rajiv Gandhi, comma, Prime Minister of India, comma, reached Delhi today. Here, the Prime Minister, no. The principal, no. Rule number 25, if the singular or plural form of a common noun refers to the whole class, no article should be placed before it. As I've already discussed this, man is mortal. Roses are red. I'm talking about all the men. I'm talking about all the roses. Dogs are faithful animals. Dogs again, all the dogs. Number 26, no article is put before such a common noun as does the function of a complement in a sentence. For example, people made Charles king. I'm not going to say people made Charles a king or people made Charles the king. No, people made Charles king. Here, king is not taking an article, even though it is a common noun, because the function of king in this sentence is that of a complement. He was appointed secretary of the board, not a secretary. Got it? Number 27, no article is put before such common nouns as are used in pairs in a sentence. For example, he moved from place to place, or both husband and wife were in the room, or a beggar moves from door to door, place to place, husband, wife, door to door. We have not used articles because they are going in pairs. Again, no article should be placed or should be put before a common noun that is used after kind of or species. This is the best kind of horse. So kind of, no article before horse. What kind of woman is she? I will not say what kind of a woman is she. Article is not used because when we use kind of or we use species, we do not use an article. 29, the is not generally used before such common nouns as appear as objects to a preposition or to a transitive verb in certain phrases. Let's see the phrase. Let's come to the phrase and understand. The boys leave school at 4 o'clock. Here, school is not taking an article, even though it is a common noun. Right? The boys leave school because they are objects to a transitive verb. We must give ear to what our teachers say, not the years. He gave word to return the money soon. He gave the words, no. We went to school on foot, not the foot. Why? Because here, to, object to a preposition. So the rule says that the is not used before such common nouns that appear as objects to a preposition or objects to a transitive verb. See, every sentence is made up of subject, verb, object. If there is an object, that means the verb is a transitive verb. If it is a transitive verb, then I do not use the article with the common noun. We also have another formation like subject, verb, preposition of the object. Like the last one, we went to school. We, subject, went, verb, to, preposition, school, object. So here again, no article. Right? Number 30. If a superlative form is preceded by a possessive adjective, the is omitted. Earlier, what did we say? The superlative form of the adjective, we always take the. But here I am repeating that if the superlative form is preceded by a possessive adjective. For example, he is my best friend. Best is superlative form. He is my the best friend? No. He is my best friend. The is omitted. He was our best leader. The is omitted. If a superlative form is followed by a noun in vocative case, the is omitted before the superlative form. I will be doing the cases with you. I really don't know whether you are aware of, I have not done nouns with you. So I don't really know whether you are aware of all the cases or no. The objective case, the subjective case, the dative case, the possessive case, and the vocative case. I think those students who were with me last year are aware of the vocative case. What is the vocative case? It is used for a noun that identifies a person being addressed to. Means when I address somebody in my speech, it is vocative case. So in this case, the sentence says, "Oh dearest friend, when will you come again?" The person to whom I am talking is being addressed in the sentence itself. So if a superlative form is followed by a noun in the vocative case, the is omitted. "Oh dearest friend, when will you come again?" Right? Then we have 32. The should be omitted before the word most, used in the sense of very. For example, if I say, "This is most interesting," I will not say, "This is the most interesting." It is, "This is most interesting." Here, the is omitted before most. And the last rule, article a and an must be put between an adjective and a noun, provided that the adjective is qualified by an adverb like so, how, to. Example would be, "So good a man." "How fine a picture it is." "Too difficult a problem to be solved." See, a is put between adjective and noun. How fine a picture. Too difficult a problem. The use of a and the an. Now let me take more examples. "I have got a headache." "This is a great mistake. Let us take a rest." If I remove a from them, then the sentence becomes wrong. "Many a man comes here." "Many man comes here." No. "Many a man comes here." "Let us take a walk." "He made too great an effort." So the rule is that article a or an must be put between an adjective and a noun, but the condition is the adjective is qualified by an adverb like so, how, to, as, okay, and I gave it example as how fine a picture it is, or too difficult a problem to be solved. Too difficult a problem to be solved. Now I have given you 33 rules, okay? And these are the most important rules, and I think I have covered everything in these 33 rules. And very simple sentences based on these rules itself I have given as a worksheet. I have written them down quickly. Most of them I have explained also. I think we'll quickly do the worksheet. It is very easy because it is something that I have already explained right now and done it with you right now. Okay. Okay. Very easy, very simple. We have to have a recap before we end. So the recap session, I mean, all these examples I have done with you all right now. So anybody can answer as soon as you get the answer. Errors if necessary. The sentence may have an error. If it does have an error, please correct it. The first one, Shivam went to the bed to sleep. Is a sentence correct? Is it wrong? If it is wrong, please correct it. Shivam went to the bed to sleep. Hello? Is somebody answering? What is the error? Shivam went to the bed to sleep. Is it wrong? Is it not wrong? Shivam went to bed to sleep. Correct. Shivam went to bed to sleep. The is not used. Definite article must not be used before places like church, mosque, temple, gurudwara, court, school, library, bed. We don't use. But if in that case, if I say we went to the temple to worship, it is wrong. We went to temple to worship, it is right. But then I have to say we went to temple to worship God because the purpose to be stated. So correct sentence, the error is correct, whatever you have given. Shivam went to bed to sleep. Okay. Number two, live in the society. I think you can talk better. We live in
a society.
No, Akshaya, no error, wrong. Simply, we live in society. Not life, love, death.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Can you all hear me now? Am I clear now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We live in society. The article the is not used at all. Now the rule is the, that is a definite article, not be used before the following words. Now which words? Please note them down if you want to. The cannot be used before life, death, society, love, pride, parliament, money, God, mankind. Okay. Now let's go to the fourth one, please. The fourth sentence. Okay, third sentence. We should study the physics.
We should study physics.
Right? Correct. Number 4. The breakfast was ready for me. What is the correct answer? Speak, children. The breakfast was ready for me. No error. No error. But I gave the rule also. I have given the rule right now when I was explaining that the cannot be placed before the names of meals. The breakfast was ready for me. No, it is not correct. The correct statement is breakfast was ready for me. Right? The cannot be placed before the name of meals. That is the rule. Next, Mr. Simon became the principal. Is it right? Is it wrong? If it is wrong, why it is wrong? And every sentence is an example of a rule. So if you're getting it wrong, please write the rule for yourself in your notes. Mr. Simon became the principal. What is the
Mr.
answer?
Simon became principal.
Correct. Mr. Simon became principal, right? The should not be used before objects of these words. Which words? Make, become, elect. Right now I gave you the rule. The transitive verb, the 31st rule that I gave you all right now, that the is not used before, the is not used for the verb, transitive verb. Okay, next one. Our examination is at the hand. Our examination is at the hand.
Our examination is at hand.
At hand, very good. The is not used with the phrase. The cricket has become a popular game.
Cricket has become a popular game.
Has become a popular game. Very good. The cannot be used before the name of the sport. Okay, next. The Sunday is the last day of the week.
Sunday is the last day of the week.
Correct. Again, the definite article, the is not used before days of the week. Next one. Rohit is the tallest and the best boy of the school.
Rohit is the tallest and best boy of the school.
Rohit. Exactly. Very good. Next. The Sudra was not to worship the gods of the Aryan freemen. The Sudra was not to worship the gods of the Aryan freemen.
Sudra was not to
Not
worship the
to
gods of
worship
Aryan freemen.
Aryan freemen.
No. This sentence is correct. Sentence has no error. Definite article the is used before the names of historical castes, the Brahmins, the Aryanas, the Sudra. So this sentence has no error. It is correct. Now, insert
Ma'am,
articles.
excuse me.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, but in the previous sentence where there was the breakfast was ready for me, so there you told that before meals, gods, parliament life, those should not be used.
Yeah, before meal. We do not use articles before meals. Yes, before what, beta?
For life,
Principle
death,
we don't use. We use the principle we said. I have told you, beta, we are using the before principle. I have told you.
No, ma'am,
Before
I'm talking
life,
about.
before death. Yes, beta.
I'm talking about the 10th
Because life and
sentence.
death and all are
Worship,
abstract nouns, no?
not to
Sentence
worship
number
the
10.
god.
The Rudra is not to worship. The Sudra was not to worship the gods of the Aryan. The gods of the Aryan freemen. Which gods are we talking about? The gods of the Aryan freemen. Which gods am I talking about, beta? The gods of the Aryan freemen. The particular gods, na beta? The Sudra was not to worship God. Correct. No article. The Sudra was not to worship God. Correct. The Sudra was not to worship the gods of the Aryan freemen. Which gods? Particular gods. The gods of the Aryan freemen. If I'm not talking about particular gods, then I'm not using the, no? The Sudra was not to worship the God. The Sudra was not to worship God.
Ma'am, so there is no error or there is error?
There is no error. Sudra is the rule over here that Sudra is a historical caste. Aryan is a historical caste. So we have used the in front of them. Now your doubt is, ma'am, why did we put the before God when you told me in the above statement that God will not have the, death will not have the, right? Correct? True. But here the gods are particularly the gods of the Aryan freemen. So when we are particularizing something, we use the. So now your doubt is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
No, got it. See,
Yes.
gods, if I use God without particularizing the common noun God, then it is only God. Means when I'm not, if I'm particularizing it, then it has to be the. In this sentence, I'm clearly stating that the Sudra was not allowed to worship the gods of the Aryan. Even though the word God is used. Got it? Now we
Understood,
come
ma'am.
to the next one, insert articles. Insert articles. Chalo, for 11th one, yes, the Taj Mahal attracts visitors from around the world. Correct, Rohit. Next, the rule again here is the is used before names of grand buildings, temple, the Qutub Minar, the Jama Masjid. Number 13. Now we are on number 12, not 13. Sorry. He
By
led
the
the
United Nations.
mission by.
By
Correct.
the.
Jack and Bill are twins. But Jack and Bill are twins, but dash latter is shorter than dash former.
The latter is shorter than the former.
Correct. We use the before ordinals. Okay, next one. Kalidas is dash of India.
Kalidas
The
is the
Shakespeare
Shakespeare
of
of the
India.
of India.
The for before India is not there, but before Shakespeare the is there. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. The Shakespeare has no E. Okay. Dash Times of India
The
is
Times
dash
of India.
in English language daily newspaper. Okay. The Times of India is
An Indian.
English, an Indian
an Indian
English.
English language daily. Correct. Right. Next one. Which is more beautiful? Dash
Which is
Himalayas
more
or dash
beautiful,
Alps?
the Himalayas or the Alps?
The Himalayas or the Alps.
Correct. Next one. The dash hero of dash Ramayana is dash hero of virtue, not of dash battle.
The hero of Ramayana is the hero of virtue and not of battle.
Again, repeat, please.
The hero of Ramayana is the
Come
hero
again.
of virtue.
No, the hero of the Ramayana is आगे
The hero of virtue.
A hero of virtue, not of the battle. Got it? The hero of the Ramayana is a hero of virtue, not of the battle. Okay, number 18. Yellow fever killed many civilians and soldiers during construction of Panama Canal.
Of the Panama Canal.
Correct, correct. When Mita saw dash girl, dash mother came in her. We have done this also in the rules. Hmm.
When Meeta saw the girl, a mother came in her.
A mother came in her. A mother came in her. Then the booth has come. Huh? I have given the rule. I was explaining the rule. The rule was, I had told, he felt a patriot rise within his heart. No, Aditi. When Meeta saw a girl, the mother came in her. Here, the mother is the love of the mother. Got it? And I had given the rule to you that when a common noun is used to express an abstract idea, the must be put before it. And the example I had given was, he felt the pain. Okay. Now, next page. We love dash immortal Gandhi. Number 20. We love dash immortal Gandhi. Hello? Aditi?
We love the immortal Gandhi.
Correct. We love the immortal Gandhi because immortal is adjective and Gandhi is proper noun. And the rule is, if adjective is followed by proper noun, we use the before the adjective. The before the adjective. Next, dash Verma Commission is still functioning.
The Verma Commission.
Correct. The Verma Commission, right. Now 22, either of dash men was present.
Either of the men
Of
was.
the men.
The is used before. The is used after one of, each of, neither of, either of, none of, every one of. Number 23, she is dash girl who sings ghazal.
She is the girl.
She is the girl.
She is the girl. Now, the is used before common noun. If it is used before a relative proper noun, stressly. I am stating the rules again after every fill in the blank. 24, dash accident stop dash traffic for hours. Dash accident stopped dash traffic for hours.
An accident stopped the traffic for hours.
No.
An accident stopped traffic for hours. An accident.
No.
The accident.
The accident stopped traffic for hours. Traffic for uncountable noun will not take indefinite article. Got it? Furniture, stationery, poetry, scenery, perfumery, damage, postage, haltage, information, luggage, traffic, abuse, telephone. They don't take indefinite articles in front of them. Okay, what kind of dash boy is he?
What kind of a
What
boy
kind
he
of a boy?
is he?
अरे अभी तो मैंने सिखाया था कि काइंड ऑफ और सॉर्ट ऑफ के आगे अ नहीं आएगा, द नहीं आएगा. Were you listening to the rules when I was saying कि स्पीकर आके सब बैठ गए थे आराम से? हाँ? I have given this rule. अभी तो बोला है 10 मिनट पहले. No use of article if I am using what kind of or what sort of. So sentence is what kind of boy he is. What sort of novel is this? Okay. Number 27. Number 27.
It is the glass, so it can be broken easily.
No.
No article.
No article. No article is used. Why? Because it is material noun. Glass is material noun. It is glass, so it can be broken easily. Robin was present at dash dinner.
No article.
No article. Very good. It was dash very nice breakfast.
A
Oh, very nice.
Right. Vivekanand was dash saint and dash hero.
Was a saint and a hero.
The hero.
दो बार आर्टिकल नहीं आएगा. रूल्स किसी भी बच्चे ने ध्यान से नहीं सुने. मतलब सच में आई एम टेलिंग यू. Again, this rule was stated when the same noun is there, we don't place two articles in front. एक ही आर्टिकल आएगा. Vivekanand was a saint and hero. Rupali graduated with
And
dash LLB. With an LLB. Next, the dash gift was dash homage of dash heart. Dash gift was dash homage of dash of heart.
the gift was homage of the heart.
The gift was
A homage.
a homage. It is an homage of the heart.
An homage.
Okay, 33. Next one, 33.
The president made an appeal for.
Correct. The president made an appeal. Right. Next, Joy always tells dash lie.
No article.
No article.
No article. Joy always tells lie.
Lie.
No article.
Oh, lie.
A lie.
lie.
Because words like noise, lie, hole, headache, when used in singular, take a before them. Rule. बोला था पहले भी, अभी रिपीट किया है. Next. Rachel is quite dash dull girl.
A dull
Rachel is
girl.
quite a dull girl.
A dull girl. Next, a test match is dash 5-day event in which dash game of cricket is played between two teams of 11 players each.
A 5-day
Test
event
match
in
is,
which the game of cricket.
A test match is a
5 days event.
5-day event in which
The game of cricket.
The game of cricket.
the game of cricket. Okay, dash bird has two wings.
A
A bird.
A bird has.
A bird has two wings. Pura whole class of bird they have two wings only. Dash man is dash mortal.
No error, ma'am.
No error. Man is mortal. Very good. Petrol is sold at rupees 80 dash liter.
liter.
Correct.
No error.
Rima has dash good health. No. Rima has dash good health.
Ma'am, no error. Rima has good
No
health.
error. Correct. They did not know dash swarm of bees lived in the tree.
This
A swarm of bees.
The swarm of, not the, a is used before collective numbers with some indefinite collective numbers. Okay. Shina was saying dash
A bed.
a bed because a bed is equal to on the bed. So we have done articles today and I have done vocab, every week half an hour of vocab, and then grammar, then RC, whatever. So I have done articles today. Tomorrow I am going to do noun and pronouns. Noun and pronoun I'm doing together because, so the simple reason, because both are similar. Noun and pronoun, the types will be different, but the cases and most of it is similar. So not tomorrow, means next class. Whoever is there for tomorrow's class, because tomorrow probably we might have English again. And if you are not, if those who are not having, anyway, the next class will be nouns and pronouns. Hello? Huh. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
today I have finished articles. Now, please, today itself, you all are having subject-wise tests are available for you all, available with you all. I don't know. I think in the books that they have given you all, there are subject-wise. There are a few rules also given in the book. Please go through the rules this week itself when you all get time, and solve the exercises and complete this topic of articles completely. Don't consider it as a very easy topic, because we do have to we need practice for articles also, because even after doing the rules, I feel that there were children who were making mistakes, right? You all are having the rules in your books, in your book also. I have discussed 33 rules with you all regarding articles. Okay, if you all have any doubts, you all can send a message on WhatsApp. You all want the rules also on WhatsApp, but beta, they are recording now. Listen, the rules, whatever I have done with you, have been recorded right now. So is recording the class. So he will be sending you the recorded session. If you want, you can take it from him, and you can listen. The more you will listen, the more you will understand, right? And you can make notes accordingly. So I'm not promising that I'm going to give you those 33 rules, but there are, or you will get them from sir in this recorded session. Definitely, I will be sending the first session of vocab on WhatsApp today itself. So see, first I'll send it. You know what you do is you solve it. Tomorrow I will send the answers. So those children who want to redo it just to learn, good. Or else tomorrow I'll be sending the answers. So today I'll send only the questions on the book of the vocab, and tomorrow I'll send the answers, right? So I think we'll end the session here now. We have done articles, we have done vocab. Next session, nouns and pronouns, whenever it is. Okay? Thank you so much, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you, beta. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.